Got your color too, according to your height. That's your competition.
Chukwuemeka, is it not time you get a wife and settle down? Hmm? You know you are not getting younger. And very soon, you'll start fading away.
Mama, what do you mean by I'll start fading away? Besides, someone needs to find the right person before I start thinking of getting married. I wouldn't just see anyone on the road and marry to the person now. So I'll just keep searching until I find the right person to marry.
What about this girl, Tasha? And the other girl I see you with, what is her name? Lisa. Are they not good enough? Nam, ichikwa akadam. Ebukwa a bad boy. Are they not good enough? Eh?
Mama, I have feelings for Tasha and Lisa. So it makes it more difficult for me to choose. As you know, I can't marry both of them because we don't practice polygamy in this family. I don't want to be the first to have two wives, because if I have two, definitely I'll top it to three. So I don't know. I'm just taking my time to make a choice.
Oh, you're right. That is why you have to choose wisely. Hmm? If you ask me, I would say Tasha. Tasha is the girl for you. Yes, it is true that they lost their parents and the villagers started gossiping that they killed their mother. But you and I know that is rumors, village rumors. You understand? And you know, when their mother was alive, she was my friend. And I can tell you that she had lung infection. And there is no money now. You know, when you don't have money, you don't have anything. That was what killed the woman. Because she couldn't get treatment. That was what killed her. So don't listen to rumors. Eh? And Tasha is one girl any family would love to have as a daughter-in-law. Because one, she is kind. She is very, very hardworking. And she's equally beautiful. Hmm? She is everything a man needs in a woman.
So, Mama, you're saying I should marry Tasha. What about Lisa? What will happen to her?
Listen, son. Every man needs a woman that will give him peace. And with Tasha, you are covered. Believe you me. And then don't forget about the virtues. Virtues of a woman. And she has them. Anyway, I'll be inside. Hey, whoa. Hey, kwadem kuku nwunye di mo.
I don't know where he wants me to get that kind of money from. I don't know where he wants me to get it from.
Babe, I am surprised. Don't allow a man to put you under pressure. Don't allow. Eh? By the way, him that is asking you to get that kind of amount, can he afford it? He cannot. Babe, just relax, I beg. Don't be stressed, please.
I don't want to lose him. Yes, I don't want to lose him. I will go extra mile to get him that money. I will go extra mile for it.
All I'm trying to say is that you should just calm down. Yeah? You are stressed. Just calm down. You are stressed, please now.
I'm not happy. I'm really worried, seriously.
Worried about what again?
What if she gives him the money?
Who?
I mean, what if she finds out and decided to surprise him, you know? See, my instincts can never lie to me. Yes, my instincts can never lie to me. You see that girl, she can go extra mile to get that money. She can go any length to give Emeka that money. She's crazy.
Which girl? That one? She's jobless now. Where do you think that she can get that kind of money from? She's jobless. Babe, just relax. Relax. She cannot get that kind of amount of money. All she know how to do is to fight with that her useless friend. Just relax, yeah? Relax. Don't be stressed, please.
I need to get that money. I need to do it.
Babe, relax now. Relax. Relax.
I just need to get this money. I know that girl very well. She can do anything.
Fake life, you don't mess with you. Money don't become water for your hand. Eburu baga, eburu bada. Mwadi money was it one knock. Obonye wako delu na teva. They want a show. This love done they shock you like Romeo and Juliet. They will apologize. Competition. Competition.
Anyway, I just want to appreciate everything you have been doing for me and my son. I've been taking good care of us. I just want to appreciate you. My God will bless you. Who said it's nothing? See, that's why I want my son to marry you. Because you are so nice. And so... See, I can't wait to have you as a daughter-in-law.
Mama, are you serious?
Do I look like I'm joking? I'm serious now.
Mama, serious. I love you so much. I love you so much that not even my sister can come between us. Nobody.
Talk about your sister. How is she? I hope you hear from her. I know she never liked your relationship with my son.
Mama, who told you about it?
Hey, do I look like a child? I know, of course. Emeka keeps complaining of how she chases him out whenever he comes to see you. Anyway,
Mama, don't worry about my sister.
Just keep being the good girl that you are, okay?
Thank you, Mama. Mama, nobody can come between me and Emeka. Not even that stupid one that called herself. It's not Lisa, because no Lisa. Nobody is capable of separating me and Emeka. Emeka, I love you. Mama! Mama, good afternoon, Ma.
Good
Speak of the
afternoon.
devil. Good day. How are you?
Of the devil. How are you, Lisa?
I'm fine. How are you? Hope you're fine.
She is fine, as you can see. Is she not looking fine in your eyes? She's fine.
I choose to ignore you. Hey, Mama. I was actually going to the house to see Emeka and to help you with small chores in the house. But since I already met you, let's be going together, eh? Let's go now.
Thank you. But that will not be necessary. As you can see, Tasha and I are coming back from the market. She will do the house chores for me. Thank you. Another day.
No problem, Mama. Do not hesitate to call me anytime you need my help. Do not even hesitate to call me so that some people will not poison you.
She says she doesn't need your help. Busybody. She doesn't need your help. Ogini, Ibo house help. Is it by force? She doesn't want your help.
Are you referring to me?
Of course I am talking to you. What will you do?
Are you
going
to say it, Ogini?
Mama. No, come! Let me give it to you!
Give Guinea.
Mama, allow me now! Let me Hey!
Mama, sorry.
I saw it happen.
You see what you caused, Mama? You see what you have caused? Mama, sorry, please. Mama, please.
Your eyes. Is your eyes now? Oh, your eyes. Hey! Mama Emeka.
Sorry, Mama, please,
oh, so you came to blame Mama Emeka's eyes. Mama Emeka of all people. Emeka of all people. Hey! Mama, Mama, can you see me? You cannot see me. I know you cannot see me.
Mama, please, it was not
You have
intentional.
blinded her eyes. Mama.
You caused all these things. Mama, please, I'm sorry.
Mama, is that blood?
Can you see me?
Mama, blood, oh. Mama, let me see.
Mama, please. Mama,
see what you caused.
No, I'm sorry,
have you
please.
seen what you caused?
You caused it.
You blinded Mama Emeka's eyes. Mama Emeka, can you
Black
see me?
witch.
Dun. Mama, I told you should have allowed me. Deal with that girl, eh? I would have dealt with her. Teach her a lesson of her life. Eh?
It's alright.
Ndo. Hey, and it's very, very swollen. Mama, are you sure you can see?
Yes.
Mama, I doubt if you can see you. But Mama, you should have allowed me now. You should have allowed me teach that girl a lesson of her life. Why did you stop me? Why?
It's okay, Mom. See, you really do not need to fight her. You really do not need to fight her. Why did you even fight her?
Mama, you should have
Don't
just
worry.
left me.
I will go and warn her. I will warn her to stay away from my son. Because my son cannot marry a toxic woman as a wife. Look at my eyes. What will my son say if he sees this? Mama? Kefan.
No, come here. Okay. Hope you're good.
Yes, I'm good though.
Oh.
Obim, you do not see me now.
Ne. Pardon my manners, so sorry. Mama, what's going on now?
Nothing, no.
Where are you? Look at me now, Mama.
I'm looking at you.
Mama?
No, I'm happy.
Mama? Jesus! Your eye is swollen now. Why is Mama's eyes like this?
Something entered it. That's what I told her to help me bring out.
Mama, see, let's just tell him the truth. There's no need. Mama, stop. Tell him how it is.
What
Tell
truth?
him.
Talk now, what truth?
It's Lisa. Lisa, she made a fist like this, and released it on your mother's eyes.
Whoa. Why? How? When?
She had intentions to blind your mother. Mama, explain to him. Tell him you can't see him very well.
Mama Cheregodi, what did you say happened to your eyes?
Mother.
You mean Lisa punched my mother?
She made a very hard fist and
Why? How?
released her hand.
When? Where?
This evening, on our way back home.
Mama? Lisa did it to you.
Lisa did it. Mama, say it now. Lisa did it to you.
I will teach her the lesson of her life.
Tell him that you can barely see. I explained to him how it is.
But no, Mama. How can Lisa? Who prompted her to do such a thing? Mama.
She said she hasn't even started.
I'll kill that girl.
Hey, come back! Come back!
Where are you going to her house? What nonsense?
This is where I don't want to
Allow me. Would you have preferred you walk outside again and she would want to blind your second eye? Allow me to deal with her. Is this the kind of person you want your son to marry?
No, my son will marry her.
She hasn't even entered the family. She has started blowing your eyes. Imagine when you people now married her into the family.
Lisa! Where is she? Lisa! Yeah. No. What's the problem?
Why are you shouting my name like that, my love?
What do you mean? Why am I shouting your name like that, my love? Who is the love?
What happened?
What happened where? I should be asking you what happened. What transpired between you and my mother? Speak, talk to me!
Is that why you're shouting?
I said what transpired between you and my mother. Oh, it's true, right? You had the guts to raise your hand on my mother's face. Do you want to blind her?
My love, see, I can explain to you.
Come on, get your hands off me. Na Pwala. If you give me now, they will call me a woman beater. Are you mad? They will say I've beaten up a woman. I don't want to see you anywhere close to me or anything that has to do with me. Do you understand? Stay away from me. Avoid me in this village. I'll kill you.
Why are you saying all of this to me? No, tell me. Did you even ask me what happened? And you hear yelling, shouting at me.
Shut your mouth.
Is it because of the money you are
raising? Keep quiet. See. Whenever you see me, I'm beginning to stammer. Avoid me. When I stammer like this, I can kill somebody. Avoid me in this village.
Mika, is it because of the money you are reacting?
You're mad. Have the guts to raise your hands on my mother. You're still calling me baby.
I did not raise my hands on your mother.
Call your grandfather baby. I'm at work. Give me. Avoid me in this village.
Mika, me, Lisa.
How dare you? If you have the mind to raise your head on my mother.
Emeka, I did not raise my...
What about tomorrow you will
competition. Competition can put you for wahala. Got your
I am telling you. Right before me, Emeka gave her a better warning.
Wait, you mean Emeka? Emeka went and warned her.
Yes.
Ha! Yes. I can't believe it.
I am telling you, I'm not lying. Emeka warned, I told you now. Emeka is mine. Nobody can take him away from me. He is mine.
I'm surprised though. Emeka of all people. I'm really surprised. Because Emeka that I know is cheap. A cheap man.
No, brother. Are you okay? See, if you know you'll be coming to my house to insult my boyfriend, you better stop coming to my house. What is it?
Sorry, don't be offended. But he's a cheap man now.
How is he a cheap man? How is he a cheap man? I can see you're done with this friendship. Because I don't understand. Why will you be insulting my boyfriend at any slightest opportunity? I don't like it too. I don't like it.
That shall be coming down. I was only joking with you.
Please, I don't like such jokes. I don't like it.
I am sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
Emeka to say for me.
I said I'm sorry.
I am here celebrating that Emeka has finally won that idiot, and you're here calling him names. You think it's by choice that he wants to follow Lisa? Lisa has been the one deceiving Emeka. He has been the one deceiving him.
Well, I said I'm sorry. Just be coming down. I'm happy for you. I mean, you have your man back. These are chickens are so big.
That's the
See
fire
this one is so big. You said
during the right season. That's why you go use them during rainy season. Don't be carried away. Make we fake on ye if no go. Makeji rama in your chair.
Hi, baby. Baby, I love.
I beg.
Oh no, baby, are you keep angry with me? Are you still mad at me? My love. My sugar.
What are you doing here?
Baby, are you still mad at me? My love.
What have you come here to do? Huh?
Babe,
What is it?
I'm sorry now.
You're sorry now. If you had blinded my mother, is that what you will say?
Honestly, it was not intentional. I wanted to hit that girl, but I mistakenly hit your mother in her eyes. I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
You better be careful. Speak. What are you doing here?
Guess what? I got this for you. And I spent a lot of money on it.
What's that?
Check yourself now. See for yourself. Baby, you know I can do anything to make you happy. My love, my sugar, my tomato juice. Guess what, baby? Guess now.
Say whatever you want to say, I beg. Stop telling me to guess.
You remember that money I promised you? I'm going to give it to you. Yes. I'm still trying to gather them all. By this week, I'll give it to you so you can stock your shop. My baby.
Okay.
Yes.
Hey!
Baby, be romantic for once. Just be romantic for once. What is going on here? What is going on here? You two are looking at me. What is happening? What is she doing here?
Nothing.
Tasha, what happened? Why is your face like this?
Who else? Who else if not that stupid girl?
Who is stupid? What, Lisa?
Yes, now. Lisa. Since Lisa came back to this village, Lisa has become a thorn in my flesh. Anybody that knows Lisa should warn Lisa. Oh. Tell Lisa to leave my man alone. This small Lagos Lisa went to. So somebody will not have rest in this village again. What is all this?
Time? What has
Better tell her family member that she should warn her. They should warn her to leave my man alone. Let her leave my man. I went to see Emeka. I got there. Only for me to see Lisa seducing Emeka with gifts. Why?
Gift.
Okay, they want.
Gift, Ukwa. Hey, there's nothing I will not see in this village. But why is Emeka a he-goat? Eh? Why is this so cheap? Why will Emeka be collecting gifts from a woman? What is wrong with this boy?
The giver should stop giving.
And
Emeka
the receiver should always not be accepted.
Shut up, Biko. Emeka is not a charity case. Ogenedo. She should better hold herself up. If she's looking for gifts to give, let her go to Motherless Baby and give out gifts. Ogene. See, meanwhile, my friend, something very important brought me here. Eh?
Tasha, hope I'm safe.
Brenda.
Tasha.
You have been my friend for a very long time now. I want you to do this favor for me. If you do this favor for me, my generation will never forget you.
Tasha.
Brenda, I want you to dash me 200,000 naira, please.
Eh?
Yes.
200,000.
200,000. Because it's not making sense to me. Since Lisa has declared this a competition it will be. Yes. Let us do it. Oh, she thinks she's the only one that can buy gift for Emeka. I want to show her that I am equally capable of buying gift for Emeka. What is it? Dash me 200,000 naira and watch me buy gift for Emeka.
Tasha, what are you even saying? So you think I have 200,000 and I'm like this? I'm in this village, suffering. I think you want to insult me. If you want to insult me, just tell me that I'm stupid. What do you mean by I should dash you 200,000?
So you cannot dash me 200,000?
I don't have.
Oh yeah, borrow me 200,000. I will give you back.
Tasha, I don't have 200,000.
It's loan. Loan me 200,000. I will give you back. What do you mean you don't have 200,000? Your parents are they not selling provision? They have money now. Borrow me. If you don't want to dash me, you borrow me. I will give you back when I have.
Tasha Radikage, are you sure you're okay? Wait, you want me, Brenda, to dash you 200,000?
To borrow me 200,000.
So that you can use it and buy gifts for a man. Ha! You've lost it. Ikopogo.
So you're not giving me?
Tasha, I don't have.
Oh no, you're not giving me. It's fine.
This love done the
I don't have that. Do I have 200,000 and I'm like this? I should borrow you 200,000 so that you can use it to buy gifts for a man. Ah! Tasha, wait! Tasha!
Yes, we are done with that one. It's going on well. Everything is going on just fine. Of course. Yes. They are doing their job very well. You know. Don't worry now. You sound like you worry too much, oh, sister. I got you covered. Oh, mama. Nukune, I got you covered. No. Sister, we'll be needing more money, oh. More money. Because the laborers I paid yesterday, they told me that we need more cement. Plenty cement and rod. They said we'll buy plenty rod and sand. They say we'll need plenty sand. Plenty sand. So all these things now is money now. We need money for it. Even if it's to deposit, maybe by after 3 days, we'll now pay off. We need money. We need money to gather all these things. That is the goal. That is the goal. Sister, don't worry. When I am done, I already have my room mapped out. Sister, don't worry, yeah? Everything will be done perfectly. the way you want it. All right. Emeka. Who is Emeka? That goat. I didn't tell you. Sister, sister, do you know that I saw this boy? I caught him red-handed inside bush having sex with one of his village concubines. I caught him. Wise woman, that is my name now. Overwise. I don't have anything to do with that goat. I'm done for good. I need to focus on my life. Focus on my future. Okay? Okay, sister. I'll be waiting for the money. Once I see it, I'll let you know. Alright. Thank you. Bye.
Competition. Competition can put you for a while. Got your culture according to your height.
Want to flex out. Now look at me now. Think you're the only one.
Fake life, you done this with you. Money don't become water for your hand.
Tasha, baby.
What the money was it?
Lisa should come and see me.
Wait, is my eye paining me?
Your eye is not paining you.
Tasha!
It is not paining you.
Is this you?
Tasha, life and direct.
Hey! So you're this beautiful?
Dikeh, clean your mouth. I have always been beautiful. I've always been a fine girl now. You don't know?
Hey.
No, tell me, don't you know? I just decided to add in my goodness small touch up, makeup, buy hair. This is hair.
I bet.
This is hair.
I know.
This is hair.
I can see it. Do not
this
blind.
one is hair.
Don't blind me, please. Don't blind me. I can see it. So wait, where are you going to dress all like this? With this your fine hair. Look at your slippers. Where are you going to?
Is this question? I mean, where else am I supposed to be going to? Where else you think I should be going to dress like this in this village? Hey, Emeka now.
Hey, Emeka.
I am going to Emeka's house. I mean, Emeka needs to see me hot. Yes, he needs to know that his baby girl is hot.
Hey.
Look at baby girl.
The same Emeka. The cheap Emeka. Ha! Wow.
You see, Brenda, I am actually in a good mood today. You understand? No, with all this my steez and class, I'm not supposed to exchange words with you. If you like, call Emeka cheap from now till midnight. I am not going to reply you, but tomorrow, watch alone. But today, you see today, happy mood with my hair on fleek to Emeka's house.
But
yeah,
wait,
madam.
Tasha.
So
you're doing all these things because of man?
Yes, so not because of man, because of Emeka. I am doing all these things because of
Emeka. If I
Emeka.
lended you that money, you will use my hard-earned money to go and buy hair for Emeka. Tasha.
Hey! You're talking to yourself.
Hey. Tasha, wait! Tasha, wait!
Oh, Tom. Sugar.
Who's your sugar?
It's you, of course.
Leave me alone.
Oh,
Leave me
come
alone.
on.
Leave me alone. I'll run out of here. Leave me alone.
Listen, you are so beautiful.
Now you know I'm beautiful now because I'm on makeup. So what happens if I remove this makeup now? You leave me and go and follow that your fair girlfriend. It's not Lisa, it's not gone.
Baby, listen.
Now you know I'm beautiful. Leave me alone.
Makeup or no makeup, you are still the angel I am in love with. Nothing can change that, okay? I love you, and I will always love you for the rest of my life. Believe me, okay?
Are you sure?
I am more than sure now.
Hey, if you're sure, then marry me now. Marry me. Make me the envy of all these small girls that is running after you.
Marry me.
My love, is that what you're saying with style? Of course, I will marry you. I'll marry you.
My baby. My love. My sugar.
Lisa.
Wait. Did you just call me Lisa? Did you just call me by my name?
Is your name not Lisa again? Is your name not Lisa again?
Emeka, what is she doing here and laughing with you?
Hey. No, I should be asking you. What are you doing in my soon-to-be's husband's house?
Husband?
Listen, you know I don't miss morning mass. That is why I always tell the truth. So, the truth is that Tasha here is the woman I love. And I want to spend the rest of my life with her.
Emeka, this is unacceptable. Emeka, so you have chosen to marry this thing. This black witch. You have chosen her over me. Hey, Emeka. Oh, I see. Because she's deceiving you with this masquerade face. Eh? With these borrowed clothes she's wearing. Emeka, what does she have that I don't have? Emeka, I am loaded. Emeka, I have money. I have what it takes to be a woman. What does she have?
Hey, Chineke. See, let me just tell you, you met me well. If not because today I just want to maintain class for my Amy, yeah, today, if I beat you, if I raise my hand there, you turn to green. Are you mad? I mean, you claim you have money. Why didn't you? Why were you unable to afford 1 million naira to give Emeka? Emeka said he needed 1 million naira, but you were unable to give it to him. But me, I worked so hard and raised 1 million naira to give to my man. In a love, you don't know how to spend money.
I see. I see where all this is coming from. This is all about the money, right? No problem. No problem, Emeka. You're dumping me because of this black witch. No problem. We shall see. Oh.
My baby.
How did you see him?
I did
You
not
can
see
love
her.
me.
It was the one that saw me.
Love me well. There is more where that one that gave you is coming from. Let's see. All you need to do is, in the morning, give me love. Afternoon, love. Be firing me with love. Anyway, you see me on the road, you're giving me plenty love. There is more.
It's my hobby to give it to you anytime you want it. But I've always wanted to tell you this.
I'm sorry. I am deeply sorry. Sincerely. I'm sorry. You're sorry. Tasha, you are sorry. Tasha, do you know what I went through? Back there in Dubai. I suffered. I saw hell. The devil, I shook hands with him. I went through hell. Your sister Mercy, I was eating the Arabian man's shit. I was eating everything eatable just to make dirham enough money to send to you. I migrated from Dubai to Canada. Let's not talk about the cold. Yet I was hustling. I was working so hard, doing jobs that other women could not do. Just to send money to you, just to eradicate poverty from this family. And you had the mind, Tasha. You took my hand-in money and gave it to your husband. I want to make something very clear to you here. Every single penny that I sent to you,
I have the evidence. And I have the receipt. Oh, Tasha. You will pay me back every time. Even if it's the last thing I do on it. I, merciless Mercy, you will pay me back my money.
Oh, you wanted to move. My heart is broken. My world is falling apart, falling apart, falling apart. Pain and sorrow are taking over me. Pain and
Mama, what do we do? Eh? Mama, I warned my wife, Tasha, but she wouldn't listen. I told her Mercy would definitely go to any length to claim whatever belongs to her. Eh? Now look at it. What do we do now?
See, don't blame your wife, Tasha. Tasha did what every good wife will do. If not for Tasha, will you be driving that fine car? Eh? Or you don't know that car is fine? So don't blame her, Biko.
Okay, but something has to be done. Yes.
Yes, I'm thinking. Good.
Mama, think fast now.
I'm thinking.
Think fast. Eh?
Glad you're at home today. This is where you are, you rogue. You thief from the pit of hell. Listen, I want every single thing that you took from my sister Tasha returned to me now.
Push me, Mercy. Do not push me. Now you listen to me. I have been keeping quiet is because of the love I have for your sister Tasha. Else
what? Oh, please shut your trap. Shut that hole you call a mouth. Do you know what love is? You are nothing but a rogue, a thief. The only person who wants to reap where he did not sow. You only married my sister Tasha because you wanted to take away everything that I've worked for. I've labored for over years in Canada. But let me tell you something, I am talking to you. It will never happen. I will not let you tackle or rumple me under your armpit like you did to my sister. So please, return every single thing that was given. In fact, I'm giving you ultimatum of 2 weeks. Else,
Mama.
bastard. Look at your wanna be a riffraff, a hungry fool.
Keep talking.
I don't know what Tasha saw in you. Okay. Look at you. Stop insulting my son in my presence. What son are you talking about? This charlatan. No, this thing that wears the 2 crusty earring and sits his ass down in this hot afternoon to suckle your breast. Is this what you call a son, a gold digger? You failed as a mother. You're supposed to take care of your son, give him upbringing, a good one at that. You let him become a gold digger, a fool. Someone who's supposed to be a laborer in an upcoming building.
Insult my mother.
Oh, please. I am here to let you know that you have just 2 weeks. I am just giving you 2 good weeks. I am talking to you. 2 good weeks. 2 weeks to return everything you took from my sister. Else, I am not joking.
Mama.
Will you come back here? I'm not done with you. I said and I repeat myself. 2 weeks. Else. That's what?
Mercy. Mercy.
I'm not here to battle words with you.
Watch it.
No, if you like to eat, Mercy, what is it? Come on. They're about to leave your sister, Tasha, at the market.
Sister, how?
How? They are accused of stealing. People have gathered around her. If you come now, you will stop everything.
My sister?
Yes.
Here.
My heart is broken.
Never. I will not let it happen. I suffered for my money. Made my money myself. I know what I went through.
I am in pain. I am in sorrow. I want the bell. I'm a journey. I in the well. I'm a journey.
What are you thinking about? Are you okay?
I am thinking about a whole lot. A whole lot.
A whole lot like what?
I am thinking about the pain, the sorrow, the agony, the hatred from people around us. Life itself isn't even fair. I'm tired, aren't you?
I know I contributed to this misfortune of ours.
Don't say that. What happened to you could have happened to anyone in your situation. And it's not your fault. The question is why God allowed it.
I'm sorry.
It's okay. I just don't want anything to happen to you.
Nothing.
Because if anything had happened to you, what would I have done? What would have become of me?
It's okay. Please. I'll tread more carefully this time around.
Please. I don't want to lose.
It's okay. It's okay. I don't want you thinking so much, okay?
My heart is broken. My My world is falling apart, falling apart, falling apart. Pain and sorrow is taking over me. Pain and sorrow, cry of a sister, we betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow is taking over me. Cry of a sister,
See the discovery.
I am in pain, I am in sorrow. I want the bell, I'm a junior in a big. I want the bell, I read the well, I'm a junior in a big. I want the my own flesh and blood, you disappoint me, oh, my own sister, you have failed me.
My way sweet, die.
Your lagata my here.
You're fracking and gala my. My baby. My day. 1,000 naira for one egg damn, starting damn, everything damn, fish damn. Wine where God forgot for water for damn, everything damn.
I will fight you.
I want you. So fun, she's the taco. You like her? Buy your my way sweet to die. Why my way sweet pass your wife? My egg damn, fish damn, everything damn.
Your heart's my here.
Buy your my.
Your
My
lagata my here.
Hi, Ocha. Come. How much did you say?
1,000 naira.
1,000? You sweet?
At least it's sweet past your girlfriend.
You don't see sweet guest association like us. They ask them, that's whether it's sweet. See, fish damn, egg damn, crayfish damn, pepper damn, onions damn. Now your girlfriend when you don't give the lessons, you chop and pan, everything
Go
will enter.
enter.
Everything with the
No
crayfish
be
damn.
wash, oh.
You wash.
Make I give you 500. 500. Oh,
1,000.
yeah, wait.
Hey, touch me.
Why
Hey.
you dey?
You want buy market or
Yeah,
no want buy?
give me.
Don't say they carry big check.
Hope so it's sweet.
You sweet past your girlfriend.
Which man will you
Wait now, I'll give you now. Take. See your money now.
This is every time.
Don't put your neck in my boy. My way sweet to die.
It's the 9 o'clock.
My. You don't finish. Buy your my.
I am in sorrow. I want the bell, I'm a junior in a big. I want the bell, I read the well, I'm a junior in a big. I want the Abusonye ganga bakulunu. Abusonye ganga maka. Abusonye ganga bakulunu. Abusonye ganga maka. We never give you peace. I can never give you peace. And we fight you. And we fight you. I can never let you go. And we fight you. And we never give you peace.
You remember how we used to do it? We'll bring out one part for our next sales, and then we'll keep the rest for the savings for either of us to travel out. Remember?
I remember, sister.
Good.
You sure you still want to eat this night?
Yeah, so give me first. Go and make food. My eye is turning me.
But you're the one who complained that you're getting big, that you want to slim down, so when you travel out, you'll be able to see all this.
My sister, leave what belongs to Caesar for Caesar. No, don't do that. Go and make food for me. You mean after all this walking, after all the running up and down and everything, I'm not going to eat? You can't give me food, please. Let me make a lip with Chineke.
Nice, okay. When I see me every time that you love me, you be telling me you love me, but you don't want to introduce me to your mother as the only woman in your life. That means you're cheating on me.
Haba now. Why will you say such a thing now?
Are you not cheating on me?
Why will I cheat on you? I don't have any reason to cheat on you.
You are cheating on me. If you're not cheating on me, then introduce me to your mother now. Tell her that it's me that you want and nobody else.
That is what you're going to say, not accusing me of something I'm not doing. Who in this village now will get close to you're very special down there. Welcome.
No, what in the green? What is happening here? What in the bush is happening here? Tasha, with this loafer, this good for nothing entity, this idiot, with him again, this gold digger, this MC vessel, this kangaroo, And you have swallowed to leave my sister alone. You think my sister is like all these village girls that you want to get under their skirt, Akwea? Once you sleep with her, boom, you disappear. Stay away from my sister, Emeka. I have told you. People that answer Emeka, they are useless. Humanizers, only feel good about them.
Don't insult.
No, who just spoke? You. So when human beings come out to talk, you also come out to talk. At your age, show me a reasonable man that is under the tree, toasting a woman by this time. Are your mates not on the bridge, 10 million bridge or somewhere going to walk? Useless idiot. Now you listen to me, better stay away from my sister. Because if you don't, I will cut this thing dangling between your legs.
Sister.
I'll shut up your mouth from my mouth. I'm a man. And I go up with this. Stay away from my sister. She is not like one of those useless village girls that you want to get under their skirts. Stay away from her.
At least I am a man.
What
okay,
stupid
Kambo.
man?
I'm a real man.
What man?
Oh, you don't know?
Which money?
You don't know?
Which money?
Come to my house and you will find
Why
out.
are you holding it?
Come to my house and you will find
Who
out.
wants to touch that thing? I don't even like them fair. I don't know what you saw in this idiot. If I get to the house before you, I will cut off your nipples. No, say that I'm joking. Move this way if I move you. Come here, fellow.
Has he got into this?
You
You cut off her what?
idiot.
Wait, did I hear her right? You cut off what?
Now come outside. Come outside! So after all my warnings, Tasha, after all my warnings, you still have the guts to go and meet that useless boy. How many times have I warned you to stay away from that boy? Tasha, haven't I told you that boy is not good for you? All he wants from you is sex. Just like he wants from every other girl. And once he gets it, he will dump it for another woman. Tasha, what is your problem?
Sister, I love him.
Eh? I love him. You what? May that love swallow you. You're a very stupid girl. You're not okay. I'm telling you something that's important. You're telling me you love him. You know what? Kill that love. My sister, go to the back there. Bury it. Because as long as that boy is concerned, that love does not exist. Someone that I saw yesterday with my Okoro's daughter. Under Whoop Mango. Eh? On my way to Nama, my friend's house, I still saw him again with another girl. Let me break the main news for you. You know Nama, my friend. You know Norma now. He even had to come and toast and check her. And guess what? You know Norma. You know how sharp her mouth used to be. She gave it to him hot. Hot. Not a daft like you. Not a stupid human being like my sister. You see a man, your body starts shaking. You forget yourself. Listen, I will not allow you to bring or even tarnish the image of this family. It will not happen, no. It would. So better chill with a chain. Sorry for your stupid self. Nkaku, don't have sense. When you reason, you will not reason. I don't know what you will see in this boy in the first place. Can you go for this boy, you know? Eh? Ha! That's a moon dagger. If you like, you listen to me. If you like, don't listen to me. The next time I will see you with that boy, I will tear you. Don't have sense.
Hey, see, this boy doesn't have fear at all. He has the guts to come right under your roof to have sex with your sister.
I swear, he is lucky I wasn't able to catch up with him. I would have cut off those dangling things in between his legs.
This is the height of it. You need to do something about this boy.
Of course I will. Emeka? Anywhere I set my eyes on Emeka, anywhere I see him, he will get it hot for me.
What is even wrong with Tacha, Sef?
Talk as if you don't know
What is wrong with Tacha? Is it not till this boy sleeps with a dog that she will know that this boy is irresponsible?
That is, he has not even done it already. That's if he's not even done already. Dog is an understatement.
You really need to put him in his place. On a second thought, you need to be careful. You need to be really careful if you want to deal with him. You see, not everyone you see walking on the street is healthy. Some of them are walking cops.
Really? He's not healthy. But he's healthy enough to come inside my own father's house and sleep with my sister. See, the next time that will ever happen and I catch up with him, I will lose everything. I will drag it out. He's lucky I was not able to just catch him. Please stop telling me this rubbish. I want to be more angry, please.
This is not nice at all, it's not.
Emeka, I'll dog up.
Guy, na so person they take payo. It remains small. Na so that babe for.
But guy, you messed up. And you know that.
How now?
I warned you, Emeka. I told you to make that relationship a secret. But now, Mercy don't find out. It don't cast. And you know say that girl a tiger.
Guy, why they talk like this now? I've been doing my best now to keep it secret. I don't know how she take no.
Does it really matter how she take no? But that one a less issue. We go package her. You get?
Wait till me. How we go take package her? Ha! Guy, now you talk this kind of thing. Which kind of advice be this now? You know say the person in question here gets 9 lives. She be like cat.
Oh, but they try to help you here. I'm trying to help the situation. Okay, fine. What is your suggestion?
Now what if you ask me now? See, I want peace to reign. I go beg her. After begging her, she go give me the consent to make I continue the date her sister Tasha. I too like that girl, The girl too fine. She can't get sense, get good character, can't dey humble, can't get respect, join her. My guy, as you see me now, I am a changed person. I'm a changed man.
Did I just hear you well? You, Emeka, changed person. A changed man.
Leave this boy. Leave this Emeka alone. He is nothing but a gigolo. He doesn't love you. All he wants is the thing in between your legs under your skirt. Trust me, once he gets it, he's gone. I've been telling you this thing how many times?
I'm sorry.
You keep telling me you're sorry. You tell me you're sorry, the next minute you do the unimaginable. Stay away from him.
It won't happen again.
It won't happen again. Okay. Listen, when you get pregnant for that man, you see that boy, Emeka? He will deny it. In fact, I don't need the suicide to tell me. I know his type. He will deny it and you'll be stranded in life. All your dreams and aspirations will be gone. Is that what you want for yourself? Okay, oh. I've said it too. Because Papa and Mama in their grave, I'm sure they'll be very angry with you right now. And I don't want them to be angry with me too, asking why I did not warn you on time. Abstain from that boy. Stay away from him. You will not listen to me now. I've told you my own. Emeka, I have been thinking. It's high time you leave this village for the city.
Mama, I'm not going anywhere. Yes, I have so much to do in this village.
So much to do. Like what? Huh?
Mama, what do you mean like what now? You want me to start telling you all my activities?
Emeka. Hi! Emeka, Meha. Meha. What is it that you are doing in this village except following girls up and down? Chasing young girls up and down? Emeka, you have become every woman's spec. Even dogs now are chasing you too. You have to go to the city so that you will become responsible like your mates.
Is it only in the city people are now responsible? Mama, I don't understand you this afternoon. Please, I told you something just happened to me now. Look at my head.
Yes,
I was attacked.
Listen, you will go to that city. You must go to that city so that you will change your life. You keep bringing shame to me in this village. You will go to that city whether you like it or not.
No. Leave me alone.
Oh, sit down, my baby. Oh, Tom. You are so sweet. Damn. What did you put inside there? You see why? You don't have to worry yourself about anything. You see, you don't have competitor in this village. No honeypot can be like yours.
Please, enough. That's all you always say now. Tomorrow now, I'll see you with all these small village girls up and down. I'll see you with them. I don't know if you even have sense at all.
See, if you say I don't have sense, I agree. But that was before. After tasting that sweetness that is inside there, I have sense now. As a matter of fact, I will never look at any other woman in this village. No competition. No competition.
Sure?
No competition.
Do like this.
Do I need to swear? You know, Kachuku say we should not be swearing. Let our yes be yes and let our no be no. You understand me now? Okay, the only problem I have is your sister. I don't know why she don't like me.
She likes you. My sister likes you. You just need to give her time. So you understand the kind of person you are. You know my sister is seeing you with corner eye. Hey.
If you say so, no problems. There's something that I want to tell you. Yes, before you hear it somewhere else. I have made up my mind to visit the city. Yes, now I cannot be wasting my time in this village. Let me go and hustle like my mates. When I make money, I'll be sending it over so that you look good for me. I'll take good care of you. Eh? So let me tell you.
So now you want to go to the city?
Yes, now.
Small Lisa now that I'm facing in this village with the small money she's giving you. Look at the kind of frustration that I'm into. Imagine when you now head to the city and see all those city girls with their plenty money. You just disappear. You get lost.
Baby, calm down now. Why is it always all about girls? Eh? Will I die on top of a woman? I have you and you're enough for me. I just want to go and make money so that I can be sending you enough money to buy all those long hair that will get.
Tasha, it is high time that I travel out of the country.
How do you intend to do that? I mean, we've not been able to gather enough money.
Yes, I know we've not been able to. But I've been able to save some money. I've been saving some money. With the help of my friend that borrowed me, I've been able to come up with something. There is actually nothing in this village. Trust me. Or are you happy that we were feeding from hand to mouth?
Okay. That's good.
Now I'm coming back to the reason I called you here. I do not want to hear any bad news. I don't want to see you anywhere with those village urchins, those never-do-wells. Nothing good can ever come out from them. Listen, don't think I'm far away from you. I'm just one flight away, one ticket. That's it. And I'm back. And you know what I'm going to do to you when I arrive. So please, comport yourself. Leave them, especially that one that calls himself Emeka. Let him stay away from my sister. I know I'm telling you this.
I've heard you now.
Okay.
Sister, you've dealt with him already. Moreover, he's no longer in this village.
Eh.
And he has learned his lesson.
Better! Since he doesn't want to leave my sister alone, and make me find him okay, he will learn the hard way. The next time I see him near you, I will butcher him.
Sister.
What?
Which country are you even going to?
I don't even know yet. But wherever others went to, I will definitely go there. All I just want is to break this yoke of poverty in this family. I'm tired. Well, aren't you tired of the way we are feeding from hand to mouth?
I'm tired though. I'm tired. But when you get there, what business do you intend doing?
Any legit business. Anything legit, what others are doing, I would do it. And trust me, I will make it. I trust you. I know you can be able to use this money wisely. I will be sending money down to you. And it is meant for this new building, for a new building. Do I make myself clear? So don't allow those chewing boys, those hungry looking wretched things in this village to take the money away from you because I will kill you.
God forbid. Me that want you to come and erect a new building and demolish this nonsense that somebody is
stop
doing
it.
every day.
Stop calling this structure nonsense. It's not. This is Papa and Mama's effort. They tried for us. You don't even know the one you're going to do for your kids, your future kids. So keep quiet.
I've heard you. Oh, you always shouting. Shout. I've heard you. And you know I will miss you.
I knew that was what you were going to say. And I'm going to miss you too.
I'll miss you so much because how am I going to be staying in this house all by myself?
Listen, you better be a good girl. Do you understand me? Be a good girl. I don't want to hear any complaint. I just want to be getting good news only.
You will.
Promise me.
I'm not a baby now.
Okay.
But why don't you want me to come with you?
Come with me to do what?
Also.
And before you do it, you just make me to speak one rubbish dialect in front of all those white people there. Don't do that. And then they can give me food. But to follow me to where? Do you know how much is ticket and visa?
Emeka will not be there. I will not give you
Emeka. Emeka, they not. See, they're not even born you and that you Emeka well. He has learned the hard way, I'm sure.
You don't know I'll miss you.
I'm not going forever. It's just a matter of time.
But you'll be gone for a long time.
Don't even start. I'm going to miss you too. Is that why you're here crying? But I'm not going forever. I'm just going for some time.
But you'll be gone for a long time.
Please stop it. Stop doing this.
It's okay. Oh, let's go. You miss your flight.
Let's go, please. I promise I'll be coming from time to time.
I'll miss you so much.
I know. I'll miss you too.
Try and keep safe, please. You'll be calling me. You have to be calling me all the time.
I'll call you and I'll stop crying. I'm sure Emeka wouldn't like to see your face.
She just smiled. Let's go, please.
I've left Emeka.
Are you sure?
I have left him.
You have left Emeka. Never. I will never let it happen. Not after what I've been through. I will not let my suffer be in vain. I will fight for it. Even if it's going to cost our lives.
My heart is broken. My world is falling apart, falling apart, falling apart. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Pain and sorrow. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me. Cry of a sister, you betrayed my trust. Pain and sorrow has taken over me.
So what happened?
John, Thatcher has been the one giving me all the money I have been spending. They all belong to her sister Mercy, including the house, the cars, and everything.
Yes, I knew about that. So,
The issue now is that Mercy is back asking Tasha to give her all her money. All the money she was sending while she was still in abroad.
what?
That was the problem.
Well, these are the luxury that you've been riding on. So, what are you going to do now?
You don't need to ask me that questions, my brother, because I am not going back to hardship. Omame, do you understand? I have tasted riches, and I must say it is sweet to have money. My brother, ego, demma, money is good. So you don't need to even go there. Don't ask me that question.
But one asna, come on, katakosi. Come and kill behembo. Ulon.
Bam.
Now what for you? But you know this. What has Sasha said?
I don't think she has a choice. We are married. She happens to be my wife. So whatever I tell her as her husband, that is exactly what she's going to do.
She's wise. But meanwhile, if I may suggest something, I don't know how you're going to say it. But meanwhile, I want to suggest, why don't you and Tasha disappear?
Huh?
Yes, travel out of this country, go anywhere, or rather go to any place where this girl...
So this is where you are. This is where you are. You useless kangaroo. Good for nothing idiot. Go digger. This is where you are.
Mercy, what is it now?
Mercy, what is it? Riffraff. Diseased frog. You look like a cricket that's been sent away from Saturn, from planet of Saturn.
What's not getting?
Idiotic human being with 1,000 fathers.
What?
Human being are talking, you also talk. Keeping eyes like a diseased alien, idiot. One guy, where's my money? I didn't come here to buy tablet with you.
Did you?
This idiot, you are drinking. You don't know where the money they brought the drink from is coming from. Do you know where this drink, the money they used to buy it, do you know where the money is coming from? Onyala,
Did you give me money to keep for you? Go and ask your sister Tasha. Stop harassing me in this village.
Oh, now is that my sister? Now it's my sister Tasha. It's no longer your honey pie, your sugar pie. Okay, it's now Tasha, my sister. You must really think I came here to battle wash with you. You think this is a joke, right? Spending my money on this useless drink. Are you mad? Are you crazy? Idiot! I'm talking, you're drinking anything for me. Check it out, you want that? Where is that thing? Oh, will you get your slimy self off my seat, you carcass from the pit of hell? Are you sick in the head? Are you listening to me, you won't? You have on and before tomorrow morning, first thing in the morning, to vacate from this building. If you should be found in this building after tomorrow morning, whatever you see, you take honey. And yes, that reminds me, make sure you do not go without your jokey-pokey attitude. Your chef, your gateman, your animals, your housewife, every single thing that is connected to you should vacate this building first thing in the morning. Am I understood? Now stink out. Get out! You're not even poor yet. You have to smell like a goat. Get the hell out.